Hello dear friends! Dubai Airshow International Aerospace Exhibition is one of the largest and most important international airshows. Taking into account its scale and international reach, Dubai Airshow has consistently ranked among the top 5 largest and most important international aerospace exhibitions. Rosoboronexport traditionally takes part in this significant event, and this year it is organizing a joint Russian exposition at the airshow. And now we will tell you about new aviation products that will be demonstrated by Russia at the Dubai Airshow 2021. Let's start with the promising light tactical aircraft or Checkmate, single-engine fighter that is designed to engage air, ground and surface targets day and night in normal and partially adverse weather conditions, both singly and as a part of a group, including those covered by air defense systems in a heavy jamming environment using a wide range of the most modern air weapons. Light tactical aircraft is the latest development of Sukhoi company. It is designed with the use of scientific and technical groundwork obtained during the creation of the promising multifunctional fighter Sukhoi 57E. Therefore, many systems and sensors are already tested on the Russian heavy fifth-generation fighter. The distinctive feature of the Checkmate comprise a modern complex of onboard radioelectronic equipment and high level of control automation, high intellectual support for the pilot, including artificial intelligence systems, equipping the aircraft with AESA radar and high-precision optoelectronic suppression and detection systems, the possibility of inside fuselage placement and application of a wide range of air weapons, including of extended range, the possibility of organizing network-centric actions both with the same type of aircraft and with other aircraft types. Light tactical aircraft has the following variants: basic single-seat cockpit option, two-seat variant for operation as a combat training aircraft, ship-based variant with short takeoff and landing, as well as unmanned variant that informationally and technically is interfaced with pilot-operated light tactical aircraft or other fifth-generation aircraft. The Checkmate fully complies with the market requirements for prospective single-engine tactical fighters, which ensures its high export potential as well as prospective demand from foreign customers. Next, we'd like to present another novelty of this airshow – Camel 52E Combat Scout Attack Helicopter. Camel 52E is designed for engagement of tanks, armored and unarmored vehicles, ships, enemy's manpower and adversary helicopters in the front line or in tactical depth, and it provides transmission of target reconnaissance, target distribution and target designation data to interacted aircraft. Distinctive features of the Camel 52E comprise great firepower of more than 2,900 kilos, including anti-tank guided missiles of increased range, capability to engage surface targets, equipping the helicopter with an onboard radar with an active phased array and upgraded optoelectronic system with improved technical characteristics, high combat survivability including crew ejection system and onboard self-defense suite, as well as capability of basing ownership. It rates to mention that Camel 52E is designed with a coaxial rotor that ensures increased altitude and climb rates up to 16 meters per second, improved maneuverability, controllability, high hovering accuracy and resistance to wind disturbances that makes it possible for the helicopter to be operated with higher efficiency in the mountainous regions or over sea areas when exposed to powerful air currents. Modernized Mi-28NE combat helicopter is intended for round-the-clock engagement of armored and unarmored vehicles, enemy personnel, low-speed air targets, as well as for fire support of troops, provision of reconnaissance and target designation. It provides interaction with command posts of artillery of ground forces, command posts of helicopter units. Mi-28NE demonstrates great flight characteristics and outperforms foreign competitors in terms of flight speed, service ceiling, maximum combat payload, and the total weight of the armor protection. Distinctive features of the Mi-28NE include modern onboard equipment including upgraded optoelectronic system with improved technical characteristics, the most advanced long-range weaponry, extended range of missiles, increased destruction range of ground targets, increased efficiency of air targets destruction. Moreover, the helicopter is fitted out with communication equipment with UAVs and control of their payloads. The survivability of Mi-28NE is ensured both by constructive ideas, such as engine separation, shielding and duplication of main systems, and by means of helicopters' armoring and fitting out with a modern onboard self-defense system. Other novelty of the upcoming event is ANSAT light multipurpose helicopter that is designed for air transportation of cargoes and passengers, execution of various tasks in the interest of special forces. The VIP Aurus version ensures transportation of up to 5 VIP passengers with a high level of in-flight comfort. Its distinctive features comprise maximum volume of the passenger cargo compartment in this helicopter class, individual interior design of the VIP cabin, modern communication and automation equipment, high level of comfort during the flight, duplication of the most important units and systems, application of modern technologies and materials in the design of the helicopter. As for a medical version, optimal placement of injured, medical personnel and medical equipment inside helicopter's compartment. It rates a mention that ANSAT is certified in accordance with Russian and international standards. Demonstrated samples will be available for display at the Dubai 2021 Airshow. Do not miss the opportunity to see the novelties shown in this video in person, as well as other promising aviation projects of the Russian industry. Thank you for your attention.